What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So XRP has been kind of sliding as of late. We haven't really seen it at, its best of times right now. We're seeing it kind of at its worst of times. Not the worst possible, because we have seen it down in, the 30-cent mark. We've seen it down in the 40-cent mark, 50-cent marks, but currently we're seeing it around the 60-cent level. And a lot of people have been asking me these questions as to where things are going to go. But we have other predictions that are out there. I can talk about my predictions and where or what I believe is happening with XRP right now. But I think we need to talk about this. We need to understand the positive side of things and understand the light at the end of the tunnel that some experts believe that we have. So I want to talk about this prediction that an analyst has of 900% increase, that we could see that this price goes to $6.6 or $6.60, higher or almost double where we were at the all-time high, which was like $3 and something cents. And if we see that happen, what are we looking at when it comes to market cap? So I'll give you guys that breakdown, because the article really doesn't give you what that breakdown is, but it does really go into a little bit of detail talking about why it can go to 900% or have a 900% increase. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Now, don't forget to check out my new Uphold link, which I just signed up for. If you want to check that out, feel free to go ahead and do that. And if you want to follow me on Rumble, that link should be at the top of the description. So let's talk all about XRP. Again, a lot of people have asked me about where the predictions are, and I like to understand where other people believe, XRP will be, and then kind of feed off of that a little bit and kind of give you my perspective, give you my 2 cents there as to if it can get to those points sometime soon. So if we currently look at XRP, we're going to see it's at about 60 cents. It's down a slight bit, about 0.5% on the day. We're also seeing that the market cap is sitting at a $32 billion market cap with $1.5 billion in volume. So the volume looks good. The market cap looks okay. It could look better. We've seen it in better spots. And the volume to market cap ratio is still fine as well. It's not showing the major amount of popularity that it should show, but it's still showing about 5% of the overall, market cap there. Now, the circulating supply, I believe that has increased, and it's getting closer and closer to the $54 billion level, or 54 billion coin level, compared to the total supply of 100 billion coins. So if we look at the movement that we've seen for the last 7 days, it actually is down by about 8%. We look at the last month, and it is slightly up, or not slightly up, but it is up about 23% from a level of about 49, or that 50-cent mark. A lot of people believe that where we saw 73 and we see no interest, that now we're going to see this drop down to a level of 50 again. If you guys want me to go through that opinion, I can always go through that opinion, because there's definitely a lot. And it's more or less on the side of speculation, because you really don't know what is truly happening with Terra Luna, or sorry, not Terra Luna Classic, with XRP, because as we understand with XRP, there's a lot of things that are going on in the background when it comes to this case, the SEC case, and everything that's there. So anyways, let's get into this article a little bit. And this article comes from Watcher Guru. I did see a bunch of different articles that were basically related to the same thing. It says Ripple's XRP could rally 900% and reach a $6.60 price. Prediction comes from this analyst. So XRP, the cryptocurrency utilized by the fintech company Ripple, has held an explosive year in 2023. Since January, the token's price has surged over 90%, although XRP faced a 6% correction in the daily charts. Analysts anticipate the asset to generate more steam soon. According to crypto researcher Tony the Bull, Ripple's XRP could enter a 900% rally. The researcher cites a pattern. The token had last seen in 2017, just before one of its bull runs. According to the analyst, XRP has formed the same 1 million Japanese candle setup as late 2017, right before a 900% candle. So you see how that has happened. And I guess was this in late 2017? I can't really see the chart, honestly. But where we are, we saw this here and we see that 900% candle, and we see this here and we're going to see that 900% candle again. That's what's being said. So XRP rallies 900%. Its price could reach around $6.60, almost double that of its all-time high of $3.40 attained in January 2018. So this could be obviously big to be able to see something like that if we could see it jump up to $6.60. But we have to understand kind of what are the numbers behind the $6.60 mark. Well, we currently see that we would be at we're at a 50, let's round it down and say a 50 billion coin supply. Meaning that if you get to $1, it's worth $50 billion. Multiply that by 2, you're looking at $100 billion. And then you multiply that by 3, and now you're looking at $300 billion that you would see. Is that impossible to see XRP at a $300 billion price point when it comes to market cap? No. I don't believe it's impossible to see that. My predictions for XRP overall, as we start to see this bullish momentum, as we start to see a bull market where we start to see all of the stuff that's, mixed with it and all the positive things that could come with it when it comes to transactions, it comes to banking, it comes to cross-border transactions and all those other types of things. I expect to see this around a $10 to $20 price. The reason why I say 10 to 20 and have a large range is because you never really know exactly how much is going to be released at one time. You also never really know if they're going to burn off the escrow. So there's a lot of different unknowns to it. So if it does stay at a 50 billion coin supply and you look at, a 54 billion coin supply and all the rest of the escrow decides to get burned off, right, then you would be looking at a $54 billion market cap at $1. Multiply that by 10, and you're looking at a $540 billion market cap. And I believe that anywhere in between 500 and $1 trillion is where you're going to see XRP with the amount of hype, the amount of attention, the amount of use, and just all around, goodness. I don't know what else to say of XRP. So that's where my prediction actually is of the position. So $6.60 is not really a ridiculous price point to get to, but some people may say, look, we see Bitcoin at these levels, 500 to $1 trillion market cap. Well, when that does happen, you might end up seeing Bitcoin at a higher level, or XRP just may take over it. What's so unbelievable about that? Because Bitcoin, it has that nostalgia, right? It has that piece to it where people don't want to let go as the top, the person that made, the cryptocurrency that made what cryptocurrency is today, as well as what Ethereum is. And people believe that nothing can really surpass where Ethereum is as well. They think of the flippening as, Ethereum flipping Bitcoin, but it could possibly be where XRP flips both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That could be a possibility as well with the amount of use behind XRP. But we're looking at a lower level. We're looking at a $200-300 billion market cap at the current, overall supply level. So let me know your thoughts. Do you think it can get to a 6.6 or $6.60 price soon? Or do you think that's a little bit too high? Or do you think that's insanely low for the short term and that we're going to see $10 to $20 that happens and then we're going to see it skyrocket to 100 and 1,000? Let me know your opinion down below in the comment section. But if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, if you want to use my Uphold link to sign up for Uphold or any of my other cryptocurrency links, feel free to use those. Or if you want to follow me on Rumble, that link is also in the description. If you guys are watching on Rumble, I appreciate you for doing so. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.